Come on.
Now that's cool.
Look at all that.
Jasmine's really gonna start acting up.
Grab where's the red? Gunshots. Why do those look so low?
Now that's amazing.
Why are they so bright? Right above us. Nice. My asthma's not gonna start acting up because I'm not near a bonfire.
You see all that smoke?
Could for other reasons.
Holy crap, that scared me.
You see all that smoke?
Ow! My hand! The finger! Another one right above us. Nice. There's a third one above us.
Oh, that's...
Wait for it.
It's a firework.
Oh, you have to wait for the end. That's gonna be like a fire.
It's gonna be an entire bomb.
Why does it sound like gunshots?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be an entire bomb at the end.
Because it's black powder.
A fourth one, fifth one right above us.
There's been several right above us.
Sixth one right above us. Oh, several right above us.
Enjoy the show.
Dad, we can see these things at home.
Oh!
Too many going on. I can't fit like that phone really fast. Sounds like a minigun. Oh! Fantastically.
don't know whose drone's up there, but it's gonna get knocked down, and I'm gonna laugh.
I've seen videos where they fly in the drones right.
There is a drone flying right through.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna laugh if it falls.
You gonna make it?
Ah!
Two of them.
No, that second one's an airplane.
No, I see two drones.
That's not a drone, that's an airplane.
That isn't. That's a bomb. That's a bomb. That's a bomb.
Pyrotechnics.
Dad, I just watched the drone fall.
No, you didn't. I can still see it.
How? I can't.
I can still see it.
Where?
It's over there.
Oh.
Yeah.
But you can really feel the heat off of the fire. And they're still there. Dad, I'm not very cold anymore. I'm not
It wasn't even the big one.
I'm actually feeling very warm. Ah! Ow, I just fell backwards. I like how it sounds like people cheering. It sounds like people were just cheering.
Drone. I see the drone.
Okay, calm down. Just watch the show.
I'm even watching 2 shows. Ow! What?
triple jump.
Watch me dance. My hand is very tired of filming this.
Mine's cold.
I'm gonna lay down in my chair if I can.
Not even it.
I know it's not it. I'm cold now. Shotgun. Fire. I got that for that time.
I've been getting them all.
I got it that time too. Jesus Christ.
Watch your mouth.
Sorry. Why you run so fast?
Was that it?
Why
This your
was
first
it?
time coming?
Oh no, we've been coming for years.
Why was it keep going right above us?
That was probably it right there.
Probably.
We went
Oh.
bombs over Brogan one time, and it was pouring rain. I mean, it was raining hard. We sat under the cover of the vehicle,
Uh-huh.
and I'll tell you, watching fireworks in a rainstorm is amazing because all the water droplets are reflecting everything that's going on. So it's like 10 times.
Wait, it's over?
That's got to be insane.
It was.
I went to a ball game one time, and it was 4th of July, and after the ball game was over, they had them going off over center field. Well, we were oohing and ahhing, the mascots down on the field going like this, like it's a nice show. We're watching down right field line, we can see somebody else's show going on. It was like grand finale for like 20 minutes. What had happened is their first firework exploded 3 feet off the air, or off the ground,
Yeah.
and all the sparks set off the rest of the display. A couple people were injured, but it was a pretty good show.
I saw it